guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have somewhere to go today, so we're gonna be getting ready and just chatting. So let's get ready. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face. I can't believe I got a zit on my face. Look at this, y'all. Oh my god. And I gotta cover that with makeup. So y'all can check my last video out when I cut my hair, trying to make this all even. It looks so much better. And I arched my eyebrows as well today, y'all. So I'm not doing my eyebrows today. I think, fix my light. I'm not doing my eyebrows today. I think they look okay. You see it's growing out. It's trying. So yeah, I'm gonna leave these little bad boys like this, and we just gonna do my face. Okay. So what are we doing first? I need something on my eyelids. Now this might be a little different because we're using toffee, y'all, but I'll do a little bit. I feel like I'm like a makeup channel. It's like I'm trying to get done in like 10 minutes, which I'm not in a rush. But okay, so y'all will see how I look when I be brushing doing my makeup anyway. Let me go and set my eyeshadow. Y'all, I've been thinking about so much lately about like future plans and what I'm gonna do. I did come up with an idea with my life. I did come up with a plan, but I'm not gonna tell you guys right now. You'll be surprised later. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow. What are we doing? I can't really use the Everessence just because it's a little dark. I'm wearing my cardigan. I'm wearing my white crop top with my cardigan. That's a colorful cardigan. Because it's really pretty and I feel like wearing something light today. So I'm trying to go with a little light eye. And I'm only doing that on the eyelid because I just wanted to look a little, just like a little eyeshadow on it. Here we go. That's why I like this brush, because it's like angled. And I can do it just on my eyelid and blend it out. So I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to put this on the outside of my eye. And blend this naturally with it. And I did the concealer, even though I not did my eyebrows, because I just wanted to cover it up a little bit just so my eyelid is not so dark. And I really just need like a little, like legit, like when I say minimum, y'all, minimum. Trying to do like a lot, like I didn't want to do too much makeup today. So I did my hair and I'm still like recovering from like an incident with my UL yesterday, y'all. I just got a lot going on. I'm putting a little more on here just so I can bring it up a little more on both. Just a little bit. So I don't look so ratchet, y'all. Now I'm going to go with my eyeliner. I'm now going in with my eyeliner, y'all. I mess up on my eyeliner every time, but this is the marker, so it's hard for me to use. I just really gotta buy me a brush because I cannot keep doing this with this, y'all. It's just, it takes too much time. So now with my foundation, I always use the Maybelline 355 Fit Me. Y'all, I'm still thinking about finding another foundation because I feel like I need to or I want to. Cover the zitty, and it's still, like, you can still tell. Oh, I can't wait to pop that today. I might not, I don't really like popping zits, so I might just leave that alone. My mom always telling me to pop them. I'm like, no, I don't pop zits because it make it worse. I don't want to mark on my face with that. So I was watching my favorite show today, getting inspiration. My favorite show, by the way, is Dawson's Creek. I've seen all the episodes already, and I'm like rewatching them. I love the first and second season. So I was watching that, and I always get inspiration from like watching stuff. I just love the early 2000s look anyway, so I love everything about that show and the looks. You know what? I'm gonna admit something. There's a celebrity I don't really care for, but she did a look the other day and I was like obsessed with it. And it's Hailey Bieber, y'all. Oh my god. I'll put the look up on there, but I was obsessed with that look. It looks so early 2000s. I was like obsessed with that. I was like, I need this whole look. I need the hair. Now I gotta find a wig like that because I really want it. Now I'm gonna go to my concealer. Yeah, I just never, I don't care for her. I know there was some of all that stuff with Selena Gomez. I really don't care for Selena either. I just don't like, I used to listen to her music, but it's just like, I don't really like stay up to date with these celebrities. Well, just like Lana Del Rey, I said. But Yeah, her look was so cute. But yeah, I don't really care for Haley. I just know they got like a lot of drama up and they look clicks. Like I don't know what she do. Is she a model? She's not a model. Just like an influencer. And Justin Bieber girlfriend, legit. Like I don't know what she do. I guess she's in. I think she is an ambassador, but I don't really care. But that look was really cute. I was like obsessed with it. But now I really want to find a wig like that because I really want one. That would be cute to wear on graduation with a wig like that. I just like love the short look. The short wig. They gotta give me some real setting powder. Like this stuff is broken up, y'all. Like if I show y'all this, y'all be so I'll be so embarrassed. Like you be like, girl, go buy some. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour this outside of this face. I'm excited though today, y'all, because Night of Champions is here in WWE, and I feel like I already know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I know at this point I'm a Roman Reigns fan, but they are not winning that title and them tag titles. There's no way. It doesn't even make sense that he's running for. How can you just take somebody's titles and just like put yourself in the match? I don't even know. He did whatever he wanted, but there's no way they're not letting him win that. Jimmy 100% is gonna cost him, or they just gonna lose, or it's gonna be solo fault. But it's gonna be funny, and I can't wait to watch it. So I'm eating some taco salad, and I'm enjoying my night of wrestling before I gotta train next week for work. So let me go in with my under eye color. I'm gonna use the same color I used at the beginning. I always do undercolor because I feel like it looks really boring without anything under here. Ow, that went right on my eyeball. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with a little brush. Blush, not brush. Blush. I'm not trying to do too much today, that's why. It feels really good outside though, so. This is me just like rushing, getting ready, y'all. Now I am going to finish my look. And y'all will see the finished look when I'm done. I gotta set this stuff, mascara, fix it, let's just finish it. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. It's very simple. This the cardigan I was wearing, so I wanted to do something really light, and I wasn't trying to do too much. I wasn't trying to be extra with my face today, so that's why I just like did it quick and did not do my eyebrows. I did my lashes, got eyeshadow, and then we're good, y'all. Hope you guys didn't hear that because that's my stomach, and I was like really hungry right now. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my haircut video, last video. Follow me on Instagram at I Am Tatyana Green. Follow my blog, I Am Tatyana. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatyana. I'm getting so much better at saying all this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.